Okay, something a little bit different today. I've got to take the RV over and have the ACs, the roof airs, that right there, and the other one is right there. I need to have the condensers and the evaporator coils cleaned on them. This 111 degrees, these things are not cooling it down as well as I'd like it to. So I think I can get a little bit more cooler out of them if I had the condensers and the evaporator coils cleaned on them. So I'm taking it over to Finley RV to have that done. Also too, I've been having some problems with my automatic leveling jacks. So they're going to take a look at those and see what the problem is there. I don't know if they can fix that or not, but they say they have two experts there that will be working on it, so we'll see how that goes. Also, after I finish that, then I'm going to take it over and have the front wheels balanced. Last time I took it to LA and back, I noticed the front wheels were out of balance. Actually, I had a tire replaced on a trip from California to Mississippi about a year ago, 2 years ago maybe, yeah, about 2 years ago now. And they weren't able to balance it on the road, so they've had it done at a rest stop. So it's been out of balance for quite a while. But anyway, enough of that crap. I'm going to get the RV ready to go and get out of here and get over there to Finley RV by 9 o'clock. Okay, I arrived here at Finley RV and went inside, told him the coach is ready, and he says, well, we're overbooked, so we have to reschedule for next Tuesday. So, all of that, and they can't do it. So, I'm going to head out to Southern Tire Mart and get the front wheels balanced. That might take a while. So, see you there. arrived here at the Southern Tire Mart, and it's out on Cheyenne and I don't know the cross street. I don't know. It's on the other side of I-15, on the west side of I-15 on Cheyenne. But anyway, so we're here and they're working on it. Okay, today is Tuesday, August 6th, and here we go again. I had to reschedule. Just about ready to leave out of here and head over to Finley RV. All right, so give you a look at what the RV looks like when the slide outs are in the out position. Okay, this is what it looks like in the out position. Has a lot of room. Okay, this is when they're in the in position. So still have room to walk through to the rear, right through here. But it does make it a little bit smaller inside, but still functions well. Okay, I dropped off the coach this morning, and then went out and played poker. And now I'm back to Finley RV. I'm not sure if you can see the sign out there. That's way out there. Anyway, I'm back at Finley RV, and the coach is right here. And they clean the AC units. I'll actually take a picture and post it somewhere. Did a lot of work on those leveling jacks for quite a while, and they only charged me $149. He said he cycled them multiple times to make sure that they work properly. Well, here's the power gear control panel, and all we have to do is push the auto button, and then the jack will start coming down. Okay, now that I have the RV all repaired, jacks are working perfectly. So I've decided to go to LA and visit my brother in Anaheim for a week. And today is Sunday, August 11th. And we're gonna get everything packed up and car loaded and the bike loaded and all that, and get on our way over to LA. So here we go. I stopped here at Terrible's just before you get to the state line, and topped off with gas for my trip to LA. The gas station here, the standard station, is across the street from Terrible's Casino. And so we're all topped off and heading out to LA from here. Well, I thought you might want to see what it looks like from my point of view, driving down I-15 out of Vegas. And some of the gear I have on board. I have my CB, my GPS. That monitor right there is for the passenger side, and I can have a switch, I can turn it on, and I can see what's along on the passenger side. And then that's a monitor for the rear, and I can watch the dolly and the Kia and even the bike if I want to. And then I can switch over and I can see cars coming on this side. Now the mirror works pretty well over here on this side for seeing things, seeing cars coming up on the side, and I can actually see them coming up alongside of me in the rear view mirror, or the rear view, and then there they are there, and there they are there. That mirror over there is a little ways away, and as you can see, there's a dark shadow when the sun is over on the driver's side. So I need that camera to see if there's any cars down there. Now if I'm traveling in this lane, of course there's not going to be any cars down there. And if I need to switch lanes, you'd be surprised how many people will just come right up on the side of me there. So anyway, this is the view coming out of Las Vegas on I-15 heading for LA. Now you can see my phone there, the time is 10:29. I wanted to get an earlier start to avoid the traffic, but I'm still pretty good. Traffic doesn't get really bad till afternoon coming out of Vegas. So there you have it for this. Okay, I arrived here at my brother's house in Anaheim, safe and sound. Got the car off of the dolly. We'll end up putting that dolly in the front yard probably. And I'm gonna leave the bike where it's at for now. I don't know if I'll do any riding when I'm here. Anyway, that's about it. Kind of uneventful, which is really good, except for the crazy LA traffic, you know. So, see where it goes from here.